Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Woodwork for Humans. Today, we're gonna make, you know what? Hold on just a second. Hold on. Okay, this is my shop. This is my shop. You don't usually see it from this angle because it doesn't look very good. When you take a long shot of my shop, you can see that it's dim. It's got low ceilings. It's cluttered. And it's getting really difficult to work down here. And after 5 years, I am really ready for a change. So let's change. This is my new shop. Does it look big? Because it's pretty big. And this isn't even all of it. There's a whole nother room. But I know what you're thinking. Wait a second, Rex. Isn't your current shop pretty big? Yes. And also no. My basement is 20 feet by 40 feet, which sounds huge, but I also have to share this space with a furnace, a water heater, the chimney, a huge sink, the washer and dryer, and the stairs. In theory, this is a really big space, but the way it's broken up makes it very awkward to use. I can build stuff, but filming has always been a challenge. There aren't a lot of great places to put the camera, which leads me to using this shot over and over and over again. My video style has gotten kind of stale, and I'm not getting a ton of new viewers recently, because if you didn't like the kind of videos I was making a year ago, well, nothing much has changed. My basement is a good wood shop, but it's a lousy studio. My new shop has big rooms and high ceilings, so I can shoot wide or long or from a completely new angle. I can do stuff that just wouldn't be possible in my basement. But what exactly am I going to do with all this space? Well, this whole room is going to be the wood shop, and this end is going to be dedicated to hand tools. The other end is going to be for machine tools. There's plenty of room here for all of my machines, and I can keep them separate from the hand tools and not change the character of this channel too much. This is still going to be a mostly hand tool woodworking channel. But you know, I'm 42 and I've got some old injuries that slow me down, and I've worked completely by hand for the last 2 years. I'm ready to try a few new things. Speaking of new, I've also got this room, which is even bigger than the wood shop. What am I going to do with all of this space? Whatever I want. Shooting video in my basement has led to a lot of compromises. For instance, this is not my lathe. This is my lathe. I just use the little one for teaching. I'm doing a whole series of videos on beginner wood turning, so I hung up some sheets in this corner of the shop to make a little temporary set. That way, every time I want to make a beginner wood turning video, I just bring the camera over here and get shooting. Putting together temporary sets like this is really important for efficient production. It means the stuff is always set up and I can just bring a camera over and get going. Video is my business, so I put video before everything else. But that's starting to harm the functionality of my shop. These sheets are covering up a big work table that I used to use and a bunch of tools and materials that I would like to use. This whole setup is leading to a ton of compromises. And also, running my entire business out of my house, that's not working out great either. I've got a team of super talented people who help me make this content, and sometimes they have to come over to the house to do work. Having your employees in your home is awkward for everyone involved. Working in my basement means that I get free climate control, which is awesome, but it also means that everything that comes in or out of the shop has to go through these stairs. And these stairs suck. So, what do I have at the new place? Having my new shop on a single floor outside of my house opens up all kinds of possibilities. With a big garage door like that, materials can come in and finished pieces can go out just as easily. I can also have big machinery come in, like a big metal lathe. I've wanted to learn machining as long as I've been doing woodwork. Now I really have an opportunity. More importantly, something like this allows me to collaborate. I could have other makers come over and do videos with me right here in the shop. It'd be easy. And a space like this, well, it also opens up an opportunity for me to do more work with my outstanding team. In a space like this, I can even have an office. In fact, the previous tenant already framed one in. It pretty much needs sheetrock, electrical, and a floor. And it's done. And beyond the office, this space is packed with amenities for my employees. Things like a furnace, a second furnace, a water heater, and even a bathroom. The most heinous bathroom I have ever seen in my life. But right now, you're thinking, Rex, you're going to move out of your basement, move into this big space, have more machinery. You're going to lose everything that makes this channel special. No, I'm not. Even with a big space like this, it's still easy to pick a small section of it and do a whole project in that little space, just like you have in your home. Having a bigger shop like this just means that I can have lots of different sets to shoot on, lots of different situations, so I can match up with what you've got going on and serve more people. This channel has always been about honesty, and that's why I'm doing my first new shop video showing you the entire thing. I believe in full transparency with my audience. And besides, what's so great about basements anyway? Not much. This is not a hobby shop for me. I am down here full-time. And that's not great for my mental health. I don't get a lot of sun. I don't see too many people. It's isolating. And YouTube creators like to talk a lot about burnout, preventing burnout, and make sure you don't burn out. And the truth is, I'm already burned out. I burned out like a year ago. And since then, I've been kind of coasting on inertia, repeating myself a lot, doing the same sorts of videos, hoping that there'd be some sort of change to shake things up. This move is the change I've been waiting for. And it's not something that's going to happen. It already has happened. Because of our production schedule, we shoot all of our videos weeks in advance. So by the time you watch this, the move already happened last week. I'm already in this new space, and all of my future projects are going to be right here. My next video is going to be about the process of moving into a space like this, and I'm also planning on doing a video about the economics of shops. So maybe you can decide if you're ready to get your shop out of the house and into a commercial space. Even if you've never thought about moving, I promise it's a really interesting topic. Anyway, all this stuff and all the new things I'm going to do are only possible because of this new space. And thanks to you, my viewers, and especially my patrons. I couldn't do it without you. And I can't wait to bring you along for all the stuff we've got going. Thanks so much for watching.